Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to change the SIM pin at the Huawei P20 and P20 Lite. So for that we go to the settings, then you scroll down until security and privacy, and then go on more, so it's the last point, and then you are able to set up a new SIM lock, and also if you have a second SIM card it would be SIM 2. I have just one SIM card, so on SIM 1. So the card is locked, you can change it, but I just want to change the SIM pin. My previous pin is 4 times the 1, and I want to change it into a new one. Let's take 4 times 0. You can also have more numbers, I think up to 8, but 4 is okay, I think. Go on OK and confirm the pin after again. It has to be the same. Confirm with OK, and now you have changed your pin. Just go back, and if you turn off the phone and on the next time, you will have to use your new generated SIM card. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And if you want, you can leave me maybe a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos for the P20 or P20 Lite if you're interested in. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe until next time. Ciao.